Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So dear friends, I hope you are fine and I hope you are doing well. So dear friends, today I am back with a very beautiful and very useful collection of bedroom. In this video you will see the luxurious bedroom ideas. I hope that you are loving these designs. So just watch this video till the end. These bedroom ideas very beautiful and useful, and you love all these ideas in this video. I hope that you will love these classy and stunning bedroom collection. If you are loving these bedroom design collection in this video, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notification of all of my videos and you will never miss any video and new collection on my channel. And friends, I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. Then don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was the design, how was this video. For those people who live to modern collection, this is a nice collection for them. So if please please, if you are loving these designs, to support me by sharing my video with your friends, with relatives, so I may bring more useful videos for you, more useful ideas for you, and thanks for your appreciation on precious videos. So in this video you will see the luxurious bedroom, and for those people who love to modern bedroom ideas, this is the best collection for them. They will get many beautiful design, many beautiful ideas, and I hope that they are going to love this collection. And they're gonna find this collection very half of them proved very useful for them. So just keep watch this video while and many more beautiful ideas you will get from my video. Hey guys, these designs are so nice. It will help you to choose your guest. I hope that you're loving this design. So if you want watch more collection on different type of home decor design, luxury bedroom ideas, modern bedroom ideas, so you can visit my channel and check the other decoration ideas. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. For more ideas, for more collection, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. Till the next we see you soon dear viewers.